we are leaving at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Yep.
To go to a sunrise cafe. See you out there. Sitting at AKASA Specialty Coffee. It's a beautiful place in Upper Ubud near the Mount Batur, which is an active volcano, and you're gonna get a beautiful view of it. I'm just waiting for the clouds to get over, but you can see a little bit of a spit. It's beautiful.
French press tea. I remember seeing this kind of thing.
Having a French press tea. We're trying to fly the drone now, and let's see how it goes.